Hi, this is Sandra with SKP Design. We're going to give you a little tour today of our outside setup for the Go Tag Along. You can see that we mix modern things with vintage things. So this is a Marimekko chair from the Target collection a couple of years ago that we mixed with things like vintage tablecloths. One of our cool things is a Weber grill that we got last year that comes in these bright colors, which is really fun for the colorful vintage camper themes. Kind of look around this way and you'll see some other things that we've added. These are actually hot tub steps, which are super stable and convenient for people to get in and out of the campers. This is vinyl sheet goods, which kind of help keep the dirt outside the camper, which works out great. This is a mobile cart from IKEA that's really easy to move around also for display. Right here we've got a vintage table and chairs that my parents got in France in the 60s and they've handed down to us, so they look really good with the camper. And then one of our most favorite things, two most favorite things, one is our sign, just want to go camping and smell like a campfire. Everybody loves that and so do we. And then lastly, this is a gas campfire, which turns out to be an awesome thing when you just want to fire for a short period of time. And then we're actually at the 100-year celebration at Camp Dearborn for the Tin Can Tourists, so you'll get an idea of what's around the campground here.
I kept looking down and I'm like, okay, I'm going to